You can now use free T4 GPU directly in VS Code.
That's what we've been waiting for!
It's what we wanted all along!
Attention VS Code developers, Google has finally released Colab extension that can help you connect VS Code with hardware accelerators like GPU and TPU. This is a very big deal. Let me tell you why. So when it comes to AI related projects, especially in NLP and as well as computer vision, so in computer vision you have stable diffusion, and for NLP you have large language models. So if you want to train these models, you need GPU. Now you might argue saying that, hey, we need more than 800 GPU to train these models. Obviously you are right. In Colab as well, you have T4 GPU, you have L4, and then you have A100s as well. And in most of the cases, you need more than 800. And this is where people usually prefer VMs and all, but that is not our targeted audience as of now. We will just focus on T4, L4 and E100s.
Yeah! So, what do you think?
And when we have to fine tune, there are very lightweight models like Gemma 2 billion parameter, then 4 billion parameter, which needs around T4 and L4 GPUs. T4 can be available free of cost, but if you want to upgrade it for L4 GPUs, you can directly upgrade it on Colab Pro. Now, when it comes to this problem statement, I've seen multiple developers in Hackathon who build the model using Colab, get that particular model weights after training it on GPU, and then save this particular model weights in VS Code locally and then use it in the API. But now you don't have to switch between Colab and VS Code. You can directly have this extension which helps you plug and play very easily.
Let's go.
In this video, I will show you how you can inference Ollama directly in VS Code using T4 GPU. Now, how do we connect this T4 GPU kernel in VS Code? Let me show you how to do that. First, what you need to do is you need to install Colab extension. So in order to do that, open VS Code, and as soon as you open VS Code, on the left hand side you will find extension. So click on this extension and then search for Colab. So as soon as you search for Colab, you will have the Colab logo, which is directly provided by Google. So Google is the original provider, and once you do that, you just have to click on install. In my case, it is already installed, and what I'll do now is I will open any notebook. So this can be any notebook, since our particular goal is to understand how to inference Ollama directly using T4 GPU, so that you can use any open source models that is directly listed in Ollama. So let me show you some of the Ollama models that is currently available. So this is the model library. You have GPT OSS, then you have Qwen 3, then you have DeepSeek, then you have Qwen 3 Coder, and then you also have Gemma 3. In our demo, we will be using Gemma 3n, and directly we will inference it on VS Code, but using T4 GPU. So now what you can do is open this Colab. You can find this particular notebook in my GitHub repository. The link is in the description. So as soon as you open any notebook after the installation of Colab extension, you will find a button called Select Kernel on the top right side. So now what you are supposed to do is click on Select Kernel, and once you click on Select Kernel, you are supposed to pick Colab. So once you click on Colab, if you are a first time user, you need to log in using your Google account. So it will tell you to sign in, and once you sign in, come back to the VS Code and then click on the Select Kernel again. So as soon as you click on Select Kernel, you will have 4 options. One is Auto Connect, then you have New Colab Server, then you have Open Colab Web, and then you have Colab Pro. So if you already have the kernel ready, what it will do is it will auto select any kernel from your given environment, but we don't want to do auto select. We will create a new Colab server where you can choose between CPU, GPU and TPU. We need GPU, and in GPU you have 3 options available: T4, then you have L4, then you have E100. If you are a free user, you only have T4 GPU, but if you are a pro user, you have T4, you have L4 and you have E100. So if you want to upgrade, you can also click on upgrade to pro, so that if you want to fine tune models, play around with it within your VS Code, you can feel free to do that, right? So now what I'll do is I'll click on new Colab server. I will select GPU and I will select L4 so that I can get better speed. You can select T4 based on your Google account. You will have only that option available. So once you click on any of your hardware accelerator, you have to provide a kernel name. This kernel name can be anything. Give it a name and then click enter. So once you click enter, your runtime will be initiated. So after the runtime is initiated, you want to check what hardware accelerator you are using. So for that, I'm using Torch. So from Torch, I want to check Torch. CUDA is available, And then if you check if CUDA is available, it is telling using GPU and what is the device. If CUDA is not available, it will tell you CPU. So in my case, if you look at the output, it is saying using GPU NVIDIA L4. Now T4 only has 15 GB of VRAM, L4 has around 24 GB of VRAM. So in order to check that, you have NVIDIA SMI. So now as soon as you enter NVIDIA SMI, you will have a table format. So if you see NVIDIA L4, it has 23,000 MB, but which is nearly 24 GB. So this is the stats that it will tell how much of your memory usage is currently in place. So now that we know we are currently using GPU, the next step is you need to serve Ollama. So what is happening here? You want to pull the model from Ollama hub and then inference it in the VS Code. So this has to run in the background, right? So in order to run this command, first you have to install it using curl, and then you have to run the Ollama serve, which is hosting that particular model. So in order to do that, you are just using no hub, and then you are using Ollama serve, and you are tracing every single log. So this is the only 2 lines of code that you need to write for serving your Ollama. And then what you are supposed to do is you need to install Ollama Python package. So for installation, you can directly use uv pip install Ollama, right? So after the installation is done, import Ollama and then provide any model name. So this model name needs to come from Ollama library. So as soon as you click on Gemma 3, you have multiple models. So one model is Gemma 3n. Then you have 4 billion parameter model, which is sufficient to be executed in T4 GPU. So once you enter your model name, you can pick any model from Ollama library and then just use Ollama pull and the model name. So it will give you the progress response, which is success. This will take around 50 seconds or 1 minute, depending on your internet speed and memory. It will load that particular model in Ollama serve. Once you see the success status message, add your user query. This user query can be anything. So currently I'm in Hong Kong. It is a quite amazing place. This is my 3rd trip to Hong Kong within a single calendar year. Quite amazing place. So I just asked the simple prompt, what is special about Lanto Island? Talk as a native speaker, right? So as soon as you add your user query, you can directly run ollama.chat, define your model name, which is nothing but Gemma 3n, and then provide it as a message, which is your user message and the user query. And now if you see, you're able to execute the particular response. This is pretty cool, right? We installed the VS Code extension. We also connected to kernel, which is our T4 GPU, and then we inferenced Ollama within the VS Code extension, but using T4 GPU, which is pretty amazing. And play around with this particular extension. If you have any feedback, do let me know in the comments. I will get in touch with the team. Thank you for watching this video. Now it's time for me to head outside and explore Disneyland. Thank you.